Look at my car, Dallas.
I know, I see.
That's nice.
Is this your car? I got it for my birthday.
Did you really?
Oh my god!
Oh, that's right. Happy birthday, by the way.
Yeah, happy birthday, Steffi. They're both have the same birthday. I know.
Wow, you would have a nice car.
I know.
That's nice. Like it?
Very nice, Steffi.
Nice car.
She has Hello Kitty floor mats.
Ah, you have Dallas Cowboys floor mats. Oh my goodness.
Sometimes,
have a good night.
sometimes they surprise you.
Are you guys going to the promenade?
I don't know.
Because I was talking to the girls up at the shop because everybody from West was up there.
Yeah.
You have to park so far away,
I know.
and they take the golf court. I don't know if it's going to rain. They change the whole thing for rain.
Yeah, they do change the whole thing if it rains.
But it's not that far. It's just like right around the corner, and they just kind of walk in. It's really not that
Have fun,
much.
Dallas.
Alrighty.
Your flower's upside down.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on.
Someone needs to put that on.
Hold on.
Do I gotta keep this on?